Top tips on saving on Ovago hotels. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you some tips and tricks that you can use to save on Ovago hotels, flights, and or packages. So let's get into it. So one of the tips that I want to tell you is that if you go ahead and click the link in the description below, you'll find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply on your bookings, and you will get a big discount. You can get like 20-30% discounts on your bookings, so make sure you check those out as well. So let's get into the video. Next, you want to come over here and you want to just go ahead and, select one of the places you want to go to, or bookings, right? Create a booking. You want to go to Bali or Santorini or the, Tulum, Venice, Paris, wherever you want to go, and go ahead and select those. You got beach holidays, you got city breaks, winter activities, adventure vacation, or exotic gateways. You can go with whatever you want, right? Let's go to Giza. Let's go ahead and go to Giza in Cairo, and here we have the list, and here we can select whichever flight we want. So let's go ahead and select the first one, and these are all the details of the flight, how much it's going to cost us. Then we'll click on continue, and then here is the trip order, and then here you can fill out all of this form. And over here you can add your redeem number if you have them, which you can find them in the description below, so make sure you check that out as well. And then once it's done, you should be good to go. You can just simply go ahead and click on continue, fill out this form, and then go to services and payments. And at the end, if you have a promo code, you can apply them as well right here, which you can find in the description below, as I said before. So make sure you check that out, and then you can save a bunch of money on your flights and other bookings. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.